Terrorists release 5 more abducted Kaduna train attack victims. NAPTIP rescues 6 human trafficking victims, arrest alleged facilitators in Kano. Unicef says 85% of Nigerian children suffer violent discipline in school. Federal government speaks against inflating fuel price. Christian groups fault Khan opposition to Muslim ticket. We have planned to end insecurity, Peter Obi's running mate Yusuf Ahmad Baba tells Nigerians. Life Coaches Association of Nigeria elects 718 women to its new committee. Actress Opeyemi Ayola set to surprise fans ahead her birthday party. Beyoncé to remove offensive lyrics from her new album. Russian accuses US of direct role in Ukraine war. US strikes kills Osama bin Laden's successor, Ayman al-Zawahiri. Hadiza Yusuf Ahmed, Arise Bele TV.